pound butterball turkey breast. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna smoke the thing. But before we go any further, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna wipe them down. Make sure we wipe it down real good. And please, please, don't forget to go into the cavity because it's wet in there also. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna brush it down with some olive oil, lemon juice, and a little butter. Okay. Okay, make sure you go all through the bird. Okay. Okay. Now what we do, just like I said, make sure we're touching every part of it. Okay, going inside the cavity. Okay. Let's wipe it down. Okay, good. Now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna season it. Okay? Do what you do with the type of seasoning that you do. Okay? I'm using my own special seasoning. I'm gonna make sure I go all over the bird. Really good. Okay? Flip him over. Really and truly, what I should have done, I was just moving too fast. What I should have done first, inject it, but that's no problem. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna inject this turkey. And I guess you may ask, why are you injecting this turkey? One thing about it, when you're injecting a turkey or any type of meat that you're cooking, it gives it a lot of flavor, and also help tenderize it too. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna, in the liquid that I have in here is Worcestershire sauce combined with soy sauce. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit him right here first. Okay, notice how it puff up once I injected the liquid in here. Just like I say, it's soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. It gives it a magnificent taste. Notice how it's rising every time we do that. That's the injection going through. Okay, now what we'll do now, we'll hit the other side. Okay, same way we did the right side, we'll do the left side the same way. Okay, come here. Okay. Now we'll hit it just a couple more times. There we go. We got to go that way too. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll go into the cavity with our Worcestershire sauce and our soy sauce. We'll make sure we paint this thing good. Okay. Now you notice that a lot of our seasoning had fallen off. That's no problem. What we could do, we can just go ahead on and put it on the grill with the breast side up. Okay, and we just continue to season it inside and out. Okay, now what we'll do, right up in here, we'll put it down and let it cook. Okay, you see our turkey is coming along pretty good, pretty good. It's been on about 45 minutes. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna baste it. And the base that I have is half vinegar, apple cider vinegar this time, water, brown sugar, and lemon. You want to make sure you get it all over. And you want to get inside the cavity also. And the reason we basting it, it also helps keep it from drying out also. So now what I'll do, I'll turn it back over to original size, breast side up. And we'll probably have a couple more days before we do. Okay, I'm gonna baste it again. We're about 3/4 of the way from being complete. Okay. Just like I said, I use this basting just to keep it from drying out. Just like I said, we need to make sure we always get into the cavity of it. Give us about 34 minutes, 35 minutes. We should be complete by now. Fire's going good. As a matter of fact, I put a bark of that walnut wood early inside of it. It almost burnt down, but it's looking good. Just like I say, people, this is a turkey breast. Turkey breast. And one thing about, I always get the turkey breast simply because most of the time when I used to get whole turkeys, a lot of time I'll waste most of it. And the part that I mainly was eating was just the breast. So I decided, hey, there's no need of getting a whole turkey, especially with me here by myself. And maybe 1 or 2 or 3 friends to come in. I don't need a whole turkey, so just come in handy. Turkey breast, turkey breast. Butterball, I think they are the better ones in my opinion, but you know, the other ones are good too. It's just pretty much more so of a name brand. Okay, we have about 20 minutes left, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on this honey orange glaze. Okay, it's very, very good. It's somewhat sweet, but I like it that way. And I'm gonna put it on for 20 minutes on your turkey. Get it into the cavity. You do it. Okay, we'll let this thing stay on here 20 minutes. We'll take it off, then we'll slice a few pieces up. This is our honey orange glaze. Cake ain't gonna take no time. There we go. See, perfect grill marks. A little whipped cream on it. Heat it up with some strawberries. This is ready. Look at the grill marks on here. Can't get no better. Now I'm gonna just experiment for 1 second on one of them. I'm gonna put some of this honey glaze on it and see what it tastes like. It's good for real with this honey orange glaze. It did reach the temperature of 165. That's what it calls for as far as being done. I'm gonna cut a couple slices off. See what we're working with. That's just the skin at the bottom. Look at that. And these black marks that you see right here, that's where the turkey was injected. How easy it slides off. Let me get that skin out the way. First of all, check for the moisture. Look at that. Tender. Tender. A little bit with this glaze. Okay, that completed. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.